Hey guys, so today I'm in our new backyard, and as you can see it's very big for Willow. And I think the last time I did a video in my backyard was the old house when I did like the failed bleach thing. But yeah, that backyard was very small. There was also a lot more noise, and we're still near a street, but it's not that bad. Willow's sniffing the peanut butter for today's video, which it is a pine cone bird wreath feeder, and I just wanted to throw the frisbee for Willow because this is her favorite thing right now. She's already destroying it a little too. Some cracks. But yeah, Willow, come here, sit. You're too tired to sit. Oh. But yeah, she's gonna be my special guest for today, if she is not going to be naughty and try to eat things in the backyard. I have all of my supplies laid out here on my folding table, and I have my peanut butter, which we just left outside for a little bit so it could soften. And I have my bird seeds, and then I have my pine cone set up. This is about how big I want my wreath. And then I have my wire here that I'm going to use with my wire cutters, and looks like Willow's gonna perfectly be in the background, maybe, and just lay down. And then I have a bird feeder here, put a bunch of seeds in there. I just got this today, and I'll see where I want to hang that later. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started on the wreath, and pretty much what you want to do is you're going to take the wire. I already have it started. But you're going to take the wire, and you're going to take a pine cone, and you're just going to stick the wire in. It could be in the middle. And then you just want to wrap it around, like maybe once. Like that. And then you just want to keep going. And you want to keep it in the shape of a wreath. So yeah, this is probably going to be the hardest part, or more time consuming. Right, now that I have it all nicely shaped in a circle, which it actually shaped pretty well while I was doing it. I was just going to do it after. But yeah, so this last one, well actually I'm back at the first pine cone. I'm going to wrap it around a few times. And you want to make sure it's really snug in there. There you go. I think that's pretty good. So I'm just going to snip this end off, and I'm going to tuck it in so you can't see it. I didn't want to wrap it around too much, so you see like too much wire. There we go. Just so you don't see it entirely. So now I have that. And now that I have all this, I'm going to take my peanut butter. I actually use gloves. Let me give some. Hello. Can you see her? There she goes. Also, it is the homemade peanut butter that I have made before, which is just peanuts and a little bit of oil in a food processor. And so yeah, we're giving the birds natural peanut butter. So I'm just using gloves so I don't get it all over my hands. It might honestly be easier to use my hands to just spread it on there. Let's see. I don't know. I think the little spatula is easier, but definitely a smaller one. Because if you're using a bigger one, you can't really get into the cracks here. But yeah, that's why you want it a little bit more softened. So I'm actually just going to do a little section at a time. And then I'm going to add my seeds on because you want the seeds to stick to the peanut butter. And I don't know how melty this is going to get. I've already gotten some on the table, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm just spreading it out as much as I can. Now that I have that spread out, let me take some of the seeds. Put it on there. Oops. Finger's in the way. I really want to pack them on there. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that actually worked pretty well. So yeah, I think it'll be easier to do sections. I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess here, but that's okay. This is why we're doing this all outdoors. Willow really wants to see what I'm doing. She's like sitting right by the table trying to sniff everything. She probably smells all the seeds too. So I don't have a ton of like spring YouTube video ideas for this year. In a couple weeks, yeah, actually in 2 weeks exactly, there's Fiesta. I'm doing a hooping event for a kids Fiesta event. And then I was thinking of making like a pavlova because I've never made the one before. It seems pretty interesting, and I can see what kind of, I know people use like berries and other things. I was thinking of making like an egg one for like, maybe not exactly for Easter, something like that. And then, I don't know, I want to do like an Easter egg hunt for Willow, because I can literally just take the eggs and put like treats in there and she'll like search around the backyard. Maybe I can do like a little video on that. I don't know. But yeah, those are some ideas that I have. Let me do this section.
That was a fire truck. The neighbors.
Oh, sorry, I hit the camera. There we go. Yeah, so far it's actually looking pretty good. So I'm just gonna finish this up because it's gonna take me a little bit of time to do all these little sections, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so back to Willow. She's camera shy. She never likes the camera. But I have like a little blicky mat here. I haven't used this in a little bit. We've had this peanut butter for a while, but it's still like in good shape. And pretty much you just spread it on there, and she'll try to get it for a while. She's gonna want to get in all little cracks. But yeah, I'm really trying to spread it out here. Sure, she's gonna have fun with this in the background. Okay, that's good. Let me put that back. Oh, I don't think she liked that. There she goes. But yeah, you can put other stuff on there too, like if I wanted to put the applesauce, the unsweetened applesauce, I could. She likes peanut butter the best. So here's the final thing. A lot of the pieces are actually falling off, but I hope it dries. Willow's probably gonna try to eat all that, but she's busy with her licking mat right now, so she's okay. But yeah, put it as high as I could, and it's all hanging all nice. So hopefully some birds will try and come eat it. I keep seeing birds, like there'll be birds on the neighbor's roof over there. Sometimes on the tree, the big tree back there. There's a bird right there, but it's not gonna come this way. But yeah, and I'm also gonna put up my other little bird feeder as well. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.